Hi there, I'm Scott, Development Chef for Panasonic, and in this short video I'm going to showcase to you how we can build a Mexican fajita inspired quesadilla and then cook it through our Panasonic SCV2 oven. This for me is a great alternative to a toasty or a panini and is great as either a main course, a starter or even a sharing dish. First off, I'm going to take a tortilla. Onto this I'm going to pop a spoonful of sriracha mayo. Once this is on, just spread it to all our corners, just making sure that we just leave around about a centimetre gap just at the end for when we're cooking. Followed by sprinkling of mozzarella. Once this is done, just top with some red onion, nicely thinly sliced, and also some sliced red pepper. I've also then got some chicken breast, which is fajita marinated, pre-cooked. Sprinkle this over, cover this with mozzarella, be generous if you'd like, and then finally take your additional tortilla and just pop that on top. Really simple to make. Our quesadilla is now ready to go through the SCV2. Place it onto our pizza paddle, and we're going to cook this directly on the white ceramic plate in the oven. And you'll see on the screen there that my quesadilla recipe is just a touch of the button away. The cooking program that we're using for this quesadilla is on 280 degrees with microwave and grill. The microwave is at P6 and the grill is run on high at 50%. And there we are, a super simple recipe produced from the SCV2 in just under 50 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. And do please keep an eye out for further content coming soon on the Panasonic SCV2.